The globalization of many fast food chains means that finding familiar food in a foreign land is easier now than ever. But just because you recognize the restaurant doesn't mean the restaurant recognizes you.
Are you doing burgers or are you doing breakfast?
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
This Scottish man is trying to place a drive-through order in Mobile, Alabama.
Gonna give you just a bottle of juice. And do you do any roll and square sausage?
The drive-through employee apparently cannot decipher his order, so a co-worker steps in.
Can I take your order?
Hello, do you do rolls and square sausage?
You said a burrito with sausage?
No a burrito. All I'm wanting is a bottle of juice and a roll and square sausage. The girl says you're doing breakfast now.
What was that? Wait, I'm sorry.
I'm saying I want a roll and square sausage and I want just a bottle of juice, just any bottle of juice.
You say you just want a sausage patty?
No. No a sausage patty, pal. No.
Making matters even worse, the Scotsman apparently had one too many drinks the night before.
Listen, sorry, I've got a hangover and it's eating me like a All I'm wanting is a bottle of juice.
I can't talk Spanish, I'm sorry.
Sorry? Listen, just forget it, pal. Just forget it.
Here's hoping he finds some way to get his roll and square sausage.
Do you do rolls and square sausage?
Whatever the heck that is.
You said a burrito with sausage?